Hello everyone, welcome to day 5 of our CapCut editing series. And in today's video we are going to talking about how we are going to adjust our video speed, either slow motion or fast motion. So that is what we are going to talk about today. In case you have not watched all the others, this video is in series, so you need to follow it up. Go back and watch day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and before you come to day 5. So as you can see, we are going, and then we are still going to 30 days. This is going to be every day for 30 good days. So without wasting much of our time, let's jump right into my phone. One important point to take note is that I also create video based on the request of my viewers or subscribers. So if you want me to create a video on any topics that are related to my niche, put it in the comment section what you want me to create, and then I will definitely make video for you. So now we are in the phone, and then the first thing is we go to CapCut. We open CapCut. We are going to use a new project, and this time around, as you know that we are talking about speed in this section, so we are not going to use my normal video. We are going to use another type of video that we can affect our speed on it. So let's choose this video that I've downloaded from Pixel. In case you don't know how to download video from, in case you need a stock video that is free, Pixel is a place that I recommended for you to go and download, okay, so that you would not have you will not have any copyright of any video that you short clips video that you download from Pixel. So just go to pixel.com, or you download the application on your phone for easy access. So here this video we are going to add it. As you can see, it's a motion video where they are running, and this is the place that you can reduce the speed or you can increase the speed. So without wasting much of the time, let's jump right in. So let's see as we are going to do. The first thing is the video is already in our timeline, and then the first thing you will do, you must tap on the video. Tap on it. Once you tap on that video, it's going to bring another tool that is called speed. You can see this speed down here. Then you tap on the speed. Okay, once you tap on the speed, it's going to bring another tools or as well for you. It might not even only be the way they are running. Maybe you are doing something and then you just want to fast forward that place, and you want your audience to see it. You can also as well make use of this. So let's first of all do the slow motion speed. So when you want to do slow motion, I know you cannot do slow motion of the entire videos. So since you know that, what you are going to do, remember we have talked about how to cut and split and stream and video. So in this place you want to split it. So you split it to a particular place that you want to see that slow motion. Let's assume is this place. So I will go back and cut that place again, then split. I will split that place to where I want it to show. Okay, to be this place, and then I will split it again. So I can work on this and it will not affect the first other one. So I'm going to work on the middle. So I'll come back to this speed again and tap on that speed. So once I tap on that speed, because we are beginners, like me too, I'm a beginner, I'm learning as well. So we'll come to this normal, tap on normal. So instead of increasing it this way is increased, then you come down like this. So let's say you are coming to 0.3x. You have reduce it. Then what you do is just tap on OK. You know our OK. So the next thing that you are going to do is just go and play your video. You see them, they are running. You see that the speed reduced. You can even as well reduce it more if you want, maybe to 0.1. Okay, then now play it. You see, did you see the 0.1? Very slow, and the more you reduce the speed, the more the video length will be increased. Just note that as well. So very slow. Okay, so after that we have already done. Just play around with it, play around with the features, and then be able to edit it. And that is the first one. Then the next one is stop it. Let's stop the play. I'll go back. I told you how to undo. Okay, so you just have to go. See, this is the normal speed already. Okay, so this one is normal speed. So what he wants to do is he wants to edit this normal speed. So this is normal speed that they are running. So he wants to make this one to fast. So we'll tap on it and then we'll click on speed. You click to normal. Instead of leaving it at 1, you can take it to 2. Okay, that is, you multiply the speed, and Don't forget, when you are multiplying a speed, you are increasing you are making it a fast motion, it's going to reduce the length of that video. So just make sure you know that. Then let's play it again. Let's play the video from the slow motion, and you see how it will enter into fast one. Did you see? So we have come to the end of today's lesson, day 5, and then my name remains Ganny, and this is Grow With Ganny. I will see you in day 6.